अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू यपर पकान तो ये चीज़ पे नजर यह सन पुरान बनाना सान वक्त लकट तम सात यह चीज़ ग इस्तेमाल ये वन पे फुर तो वुचमुत यह लगान चरश कर तम पान इस्तेमाल कर यह ज्यादा बड़े अमे सर बेहन कहें
The thing you see in this video is a prototype of the whip. In Kashmiri it is called as kur. This thing works on the principle of conservation of energy. So when it is whipped, as you can see that it is thicker at the edges and towards its end it becomes thinner and thinner. So the mass gradually goes on decreasing towards its edge. So when it is whipped with some kinetic energy, the kinetic energy travels in the form of ripples towards its end. As the end is thin, so the mass is little. As there is conservation of kinetic energy, so as the mass is little, the velocity becomes very high. So there is sonic boom, and those sounds are produced by that sonic boom.